Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust the white balance on LG 43QNED80. To do it, press and hold on the settings button to open the full settings, then go to Picture, Advanced Settings, Color, and then find white balance. And now you can change the color temperature from anywhere from between cold 50 to warm 50. I like to leave it at 0. You can also go back, change the method, and you can also change the point to low or high and adjust the red, green and blue yourself. And that's how you change it. You can also reset it if you don't like these settings. If you've changed it and you want to bring it back to default, then click on reset. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.